press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, how are you all? Hope all are you fine and safe in your home. In today's class, we are going to learn the new lesson of your class 5 English, that is the talkative barber. What is the name of your lesson? That is the talkative barber. Okay, what do you mean by talkative? Yes, the one who speaks continuously. The one who talks continuously are called as talkative. Okay? Before going to start this lesson, I will tell you something about Arabian Nights. Okay? Arabian Nights, these are one of the most beautiful treasures of our world. Arabian Nights contains lot of tales. So many tales which are told in Asia, Persia, Arabia and India also. So from this book, this story is selected. Okay, let's get started. Long ago, a sultan whose name was Shahryar ruled over a large kingdom. His queen was a very good storyteller. Each night she would tell a story to the king. She narrated ancient Persian and Arabic folk stories. This is one of the stories from the Arabian Nights. So, as I told earlier, this is one of the story from Arabian Nights. Actually, Arabian Nights having the tales which is about magic and something which is a very unbelievable like that subjects. Based on that topic, the story will narrate it. Okay, let's open page number 100, that is the talkative barber. So here, long ago, a sultan whose name was Shahryar. What is the name of the sultan? That is Shahryar. And he was lived long ago. Means once upon a time, there lived a sultan. Okay, in Muslims or in Islam, the king is called as what? Sultan. And that sultan name is Shahryar. Okay, the sultan name is Shahryar. And he was lived once upon a time. Ruled over a large kingdom. He has a large kingdom. He is ruling that kingdom. Okay? And his queen was a very good storyteller. So, that king's queen, that is Sultan Shahryar. Right? Shahryar queen is very good storyteller. Each night she would tell a story to the king. So, each night she will narrate the story and she will tell that story to the king. She narrated ancient Persian and Arabic folk stories. So, which are the stories which she narrated? So, those are ancient Persian and Arabic folk stories. So, she narrated ancient Persian. Ancient means, yes, it is a long ago. Ancient Persian and Arabic folk stories. You know folk? Yes, folk means, yes, it is a culture. It is a culture. This is one of the stories from the Arabian Nights. So, this is also one of the story from Arabian Nights. Understood this? Okay, I will tell you again. Arabian Nights is the most beautiful treasure in our world. In that Arabian Nights, those are so many tales. So many stories are contained in that book. Okay, and that stories are based on magic, something which is unbelievable subjects like that. Okay, and Arabian Night stories are told in India, Persia, Arabia like that. So, this story is also selected from the Arabian Nights. Okay, long ago, once upon a time, there lived a sultan called Shahryar. And that sultan is having a very big kingdom. Okay, and he has a queen who is telling, who is narrating, very good at narrating stories, and she will tell each, she will tell stories on each day to the king. Each day she will tell the stories to the king. Okay. Next, she narrated ancient Persian and Arabic folk stories. This is one of the stories from the Arabian Nights. Understood this? Okay, let's get started. First I will read this, then I will explain it. When I am reading, please go through it. Read this story about a man who cannot stop talking. In the city of Kashnagar lived a barber who was a great talker. Once the Sultan called the barber to shave his head. The barber started talking non-stop instead of shaving him. The Sultan got angry. When are you going to stop talking and begin to do your work? The barber replied, you do me an injury by calling me a chatterer. For everyone says I am very quiet. I have 6 brothers whom you might call chatterers. Their names are Bakban, Bakburiya, Bakbak, Ulkus, Ulnashi. Next, Shakabak. One is humpbacked, one is toothless, one is half blind, one is quite blind, one is deaf, and the other has a defect in his speech, and they are all great talkers. But I am the youngest of my family, and I am very quiet and sparing with words. Okay? I will tell you. Read this story about a man who cannot stop talking. So, this is a story about a talkative person, and he was a barber. Who is barber? Yes, barber is the one who shaves heads, and this one and this one. Understood that? Yes. Okay? Read this story about a man who cannot stop talking. So, this is a story about a barber. In the city of Kashnagar lived a barber who was a great talker. So, there was a city called Kashnagar. What is the name of the city? That is Kashnagar. In that city, there lived a barber, and that barber is very talkative. So, talkative means what? The one who talks continuously, the one who speaks continuously without any gap, without any stop. Okay? In the city of Kashnagar lived a barber who was a great talker. So, that barber is very talkative, and once the Sultan called the barber to shave his head, the barber started talking non-stop. Instead of shaving him, the Sultan got angry. So, what happened? In the Kashnagar, there lived a barber who is very talkative. In that city, there is a Sultan, okay, and that Sultan once called this barber to shave his head. Because he is the barber, his work to do shave of head, okay. So, the Sultan called him to shave his head. But what happened? He is very talkative, we know that. So, he is talking like that, anything. So, he is talking like anything. He starts talking without any gap. He continuously speaking like that. By hearing this whole story, the Sultan gets very angry because he is speaking, he is talking without doing his work. He is not shaving. Instead of he is doing what? Yes, there is talking. What is the use of this? Why I had to call him for this? He is not shaving my head, but he is talking like anything. So, the Sultan becomes very angry. Okay, understood this? When are you going to stop talking and begin to do your work? So, Sultan got angry, so he shouted, when are you going to stop talking and begin to do your work? Okay, enough. You talked so much that I can't tolerate anymore. Okay, when will you go to do your work and stop this nonsense talking? When? Please tell me. Like that Sultan is shouting on that barber, because barber is very talkative. He can't stop his talking. He can't stop talking, but this is not tolerated by Sultan. So he is shouting with angry that when will you do your work instead of talking? Why are you talking so much in front of me? Please do your work and go. Okay, like this, that Sultan is shouting. The barber replied, "You do me an injury by calling me a chatterer. For everyone says I am very quiet. I have 6 brothers whom you might call chatterers." So the barber is telling that you do me an injury by calling me a chatterer. Okay, Sultan, what are you doing? Why are you talking me like that? You called me a chatterer. That hurts me very. Okay, it hurts me. How can I tolerate this? In our family, there are 6 members, brothers for me. In those brothers, I am only a very quiet one. All are doing noise. All are making noise, but I am very quiet one. But then also, you called me as a chatterer. Chatterer means what? The one who talks continuously, who is talkative, nothing but talkative. Okay? The barber replied, "You do me an injury by calling me a chatterer." Injury means what? Wound. Okay, I'll write here. Wound. And barber means, okay, write down here. Barber means the one who shaves the head. And talkative. Talkative means, yes, that is the one who talks continuously. The one who talks continuously is called as talkative. Okay, and another one is there that is chatterer. Chatterer means what? Talkative. Okay, understood this? So once what happened? There lived a king, that is Sultan, and Sultan called a barber to shave his head, but that barber is very talkative. He is doing or making noise by speaking nonsense words, that is talking without or instead of doing work. So Sultan gets angry and he asked barber that when will you go to shave my head? When will you do your work instead of talking? Because he is very angry about that barber who talks instead of work. Okay? So what happened? The barber tells that or replies to the Sultan that, "Sultan, you make a big injury, you make a wound to me by calling chatterer. You called me as chatterer. This hurts me a lot, because for everyone says I am very quiet, because everyone in the village says I am very quiet, but you called me as a chatterer. I have 6 brothers whom you might call chatterers. I have 6 brothers. You can call those with that chatterer's name. Their names are Backbone, Backbaria, Backbuck, Alkus, Alnashi, and Shakabak. So these are the names of his 6 brothers. So those are Backbone, Backbaria, Backbuck, Alkos, Alnashi, and Shakamukha. One is humpbacked. So humpbacked means what? His back is like a dome shape. Okay, his back is like this, dome shape. Those are called humpback. So the barber is telling that I'm very quiet in our family. I have 6 brothers, and those 6 brothers are talking like anything. Compared to us, I'm nothing. I'm very quiet. But Sultan, you called me as a talkative. You called me as a chatterer. How can you say that? It hurts me a lot. And my brothers' names are 6. Those are backbone. First one is backbone. Second one is Bakbaria. Third one is backback. Fourth one is Alkos. Fifth one is Al-Nashi. And 6th one is Shakabak. So these are the 6 brothers I have. And the first one is humpbacked. So these 6 are, yes, those are handicaps. So one is humpback, one is toothless, one is half blind, one is quite blind, one is deaf, and the other has a defect in his speech. And they are all great talkers, but I am the youngest of my family, and I am very quiet and sparing with words. Okay? So the barber tells that I have 6 members of brothers. I have 6 brothers in my home, and those 6 brothers are very talkative. You can call those as chatterers. But I am very quiet. Everyone says I am very quiet. And my brothers are all handicapped. One is humpback, one is toothless, one is blind, and one is quite blind, and one is half blind, one is defect in speech, and another one is deaf. So these are the 6 members I have, and those are all having the disabilities, and those are all chatterers. Those all are chatterers, those all are talkative, and I am the youngest one in our family. All are elders of me, and I am the youngest one, and I am very quiet, and I don't spare time to talking such a nonsense words. Understood this? ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಅರೇಬಿಯನ್ ನೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಕಥೆಯ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗ್ರಂಥವೇ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಕಥೆಗಳಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಅವು ಅರೇಬಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಥೆಗಳು, ಪರ್ಷಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಥೆಗಳು, ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಥೆಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಸೇರಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗ್ರಂಥವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅರೇಬಿಯನ್ ನೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಥೆಗಳು ಮೇನ್ ಆಗಿ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಂತ್ರಜಾಲ ಆ ಥರದ್ದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೈವಿಕ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಆ ಥರದ್ದು, ಹೀಗೆ ಒಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಂಬಕ್ಕೆ ಅಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವು ಆ ಕಥೆಗಳು ನೆರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಥರದ ಒಂದು ಅರೇಬಿಯನ್ ನೈಟ್ಸಿಂದ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿಯ ಹೆಸರು ದ ಟಾಕೆಟಿವ್ ಬಾರ್ಬರ್. ಬಾರ್ಬರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಷೌರಿಕ, ಅಂದರೆ ಮುಖವನ್ನು ಬಾಯ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗಡ್ಡವನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ತಲೆ ಕೂದಲನ್ನು, ಮೀಸೆಯನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಶೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಷೌರಿಕ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಟಾಲ್ಕ್ಯಾಟಿವ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಆಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತುಗಾರ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಾತುಗಾರ ಕ್ಷೌರಿಕನ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಒಂದು ಊರಿದೆ, ಅದರ ಹೆಸರು ಕಾಶ್ನಗರ್ ಅಂತ. ಒಂದು ಕಾಶಿನಗರ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಊರಿದೆ. ಆ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಆ ಒಂದು ಊರಿನ ರಾಜ ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ ಅಂತ. ಆ ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಶೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಕ್ಷೌರಿಕ ಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕ್ಷೌರಿಕನೂ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ ಕ್ಷೌರಿಕ ತುಂಬಾ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಸ್ಟಾಪೇ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಕೊಡದೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದ ರಾಜ ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ ಕ್ಷೌರ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಬಾರ್ಬರ್ನ, ಆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕ್ಷೌರಿಕನ್ನ ತನ್ನ ಅರಮನೆಗೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಆದರೆ ಆ ಕ್ಷೌರಿಕ ಬಂದು ರಾಜಂಗೆ ಶೇವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರೀ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಈ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ, ಈ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕ್ಷೌರಿಕ ಮಾತನ್ನ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಗ ರಾಜಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನೀನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಶೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ, ನಿನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ನೀನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ, ಬರೀ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಾಗಿಂದ, ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀನು ವರ್ಕ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಗ ಬಾರ್ಬರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ ಇದೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಮಾತುಗಾರ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ನೀವು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಚಾಟಿಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ವೈಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್, ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಸೌಮ್ಯ ಸ್ವಭಾವದ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ, ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಶಬ್ದವನ್ನು ಮಾಡದೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ, ನನ್ನ ಪಾಡಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ನಾನು. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಮಾತುಗಾರ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ನನಗೆ 6 ಜನ ಅಣ್ಣಂದಿರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ 6 ಜನ ಅಣ್ಣಂದಿರಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ಹುಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ಆ 6 ಜನ ಅಣ್ಣಂದ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾತುಗಾರ ಅನ್ರಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ತಪ್ಪೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 6 ಜನದ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ವಿಚಿತ್ರವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ 6 ಹೆಸರುಗಳು, ಓಕೆನಾ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ 6 ಜನರು ಕೂಡ ಗೋಣು ಬೆನ್ನನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಡೆಫ್ ಕಿವುಡ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯಾಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಟೂತ್ಲೆಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಹಾಫ್ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್, ಕುರುಡ ಮತ್ತು ಅರ್ಧ ಕುರುಡ 2 ಜನನು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಇದರ ಡಿಸಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣಂದರು ತುಂಬಾ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಾನು ಏನೂ ಮಾತಾಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಟಾಕಿಟಿವ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಮಾತನಾಡೋ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ? ನನಗಿದು ತುಂಬಾ ನೋವಾಯಿತು, ಇದು ತುಂಬ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗಾಯ ಆಯಿತು ನನಗೆ. ಇಂಜುರಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಗಾಯ, ಇಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಹರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬಾರ್ಬರ್ ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆನಾ? ಸೊ in the next class we will continue this lesson. Okay, hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.